Today we'll be changing tires on these 22-inch wheels. We'll first check the tread depth on the customer's tires. In the middle of the thread, the customer had 2 30-seconds remaining. And as you can see on the outside edge, we are at 0 30-seconds, with excessive wear on the outside edge. And definitely past the 2 30-second wear bars, which led to our recommendation for a new set of tires. Once the wheel has been removed, we'll be placing it on our state-of-the-art tire mounting machine. Once locked down, the machine will be pulling away the tire, which ensures that the custom wheels are not damaged. New valve stems go on every wheel. The tire is lubed and ready to be reinstalled on the customer's wheel. After a thorough balancing, these wheels are ready to be reinstalled on the vehicle.